This is a day in the life of a shipping container trader. Now after jumping in the shower, the first thing I like to do is head over the park. Take in the scenes, listen to the birds, get a fresh headspace for the morning, get ready to go before we start work for the day. Next up, the morning coffee. Grab the jar, chuck some in, don't need a spoon, why would you need that? Bearing in mind, this kettle here has been boiled before I went on the walk. So you don't burn the bean, if you know boys, alright. Pour this in, fabulous. Shizer. Don't almost crack the stove, I wouldn't advise. Give that a stir, chuck that in the sink, and you're done. So today we're going to be using Claude Cowork to set up an automation which I've been wanting to do for a long time, but long story short, it consolidates all the emails, all the Google Analytics data, all the Google Search Console data, and it will send us daily or weekly updates on WhatsApp to both myself and Josh. So we'll both get updates in a central location every day or however often we want it. So let's get into that. So we are very much getting there with this. We have here a little web app that Claude Cowork has made for us. We had an issue where it was struggling to find exactly where to get the data from, etc. So now it has made this. Now each of these contain a link directly to where it needs to go to pull the daily data. It'll go on here, open all the links, and then it will summarize them into WhatsApp. And I will show you what that looks like now. As you can see, we've got the day, we've got the date, we've got top priorities at the top, we've got things like supplier emails, Google Search Console data, top pages, etc. from the last 24 hours, just so we can keep a daily track on ideally what we need. Now, coming down here, we've also got the last final briefing here with pretty much things that we need to do. We've got wins this month, we've got customers awaiting responses, which hopefully ain't too many, and we've got things like quote IDs that need to be updated. Really good consolidated system. We get this every single day. Now some of the bog standard stuff, going through your emails, replying to customers, replying to suppliers, checking WhatsApp, checking Facebook, etc. Making sure that you are fully up to date. Tomorrow we are visiting the Excel Centre just to pop in and do a little bit of networking at the Food, Drink and Hospitality Week. Now, I think it would be a good idea for refrigerated containers. And I just want to see who's there. So we're going to come up with a plan for tomorrow. Who do we want to see? And then we will probably just go wherever the wind blows. So we're all prepared for tomorrow, we're all ready to go. That's a small insight on what we do on a day-to-day basis in terms of the back-end side of things. There will be more content in terms of shipping container deliveries coming very soon. And we're hoping to interview some drivers as well, because they are very specialist and there's not many of them around. So it'd be very good to get some insight from them. Have a lovely day. And if you need a container, order today the Bosh Boxes way.